Namaste beloved friends. This video is very important for you if you are learning meditation from YouTube or from the books. Nowadays from the YouTube people are learning the cooking, people are learning how to eat, how to talk, how to walk. Everything is available on the YouTube, on the internet, and people are using this information and they are starting practicing. But learning meditation from the YouTube is destroying the lives of many people. I know many people personally. They are calling me every time and they are like they are suffering so much because they started meditation by looking some videos, by hearing some audios, guided practices, and by these practices their mind is disturbed, their body is disturbed, they are mentally and physically they are disturbed by these practices. So I am requesting all of you, please don't practice the meditation by just listening the audios, guided practices, by just watching the YouTube videos. It's good if you want to start the meditation, but in the beginning you just meet the teacher, just contact the teacher who is teaching the meditation and just express your feelings, whatever you want to learn out of the meditation, why you want to do the meditation. Just get connected with the teacher and try to express whatever you want to say to the teacher, and then the teacher will guide you step by step. Otherwise you will stuck on this very uncomfortable feelings. It will destroy your life. I know many people, they are destroying their life by just looking at the guided meditation practice, by just watching the YouTube videos. So try not to do. And nowadays I am just checking in the Instagram and also Facebook. There are some people are selling the meditation also. There are the script of the meditation, they are written, and you just read the meditation techniques, and if you have good voice, if you have good music, you just read the script and you record your voice and you sell this voice. You will sell this meditation practice into YouTube, into the different platform. But this is really harmful for the people. If a new beginner come and he start meditation like this, he will destroy his life, because there are so many things in the background. Maybe the person is in the depression, in the anxiety. He have to do the different kind of meditation. If the person is feeling some discomfort, some pain in the body, for him different meditation technique. So each individual have to go through the different meditation techniques. But if you just listening to one popular video, some video have very good views, and you just watching them and doing the practice of meditation, this will create harm in your body, in your mind, in your whole life. Try to understand these things. In the ancient time, when somebody come for the meditation to a guru, so what the guru do? He said to the disciple, go for the 1 year you live in the ashram, and from now onward you will do the chopping, you will go to the jungle, you will bring the woods, you will cook the food, you will wash the utensils. So this work guru give to the disciples, to the student, and after 1 or 2 years, slowly the practice of meditation given to the disciple. It's not immediate process. It's not like today you come to me and I will give you some technique and you will start meditating, and then second day you will get the enlightenment. It's not like this. It's not the quick process. It's very gradual and step by step process. You have to go from one stage to another stage. So many people, when they start practicing the meditation from the YouTube, they get stuck to one point. They start feeling some emotions, they start feeling some heaviness in their head, in their spine, so much pain, so much races in the body, so much pimples in the body, so much things start happening to them, because they don't understand the mechanism of the meditation. They don't understand the background, the behind process. So from the next time, if you starting the meditation, if you want to start the meditation, don't just jump onto some technique, don't just jump to some teacher. Just write to teacher, email to the teacher, just call the teacher and just tell like why you want to practice the meditation. This is the my condition and I want to improve my life, I want to improve my focus. Just tell the teacher that this is the things, and now you give me some techniques which I can work. And if the teacher is genuine, if the teacher is good, then you take the technique, and then the teacher will also help you. Then he will take you step by step to the process of meditation. So it's not like you just directly jumping to the technique, just putting the headphone on your ear and just listening the music, listening the guided practice, rising the kundalini, visualizing the chakra, seeing the colors, blah blah blah. So much things around the meditation nowadays, and so many people are getting problems because of this, because everything is free available in the market and people don't understand the things clearly. So from the next time, try to understand the things, try to understand the teacher. If the teacher did some courses, if the teacher had some experience of the meditation, or the teacher is just reading the books and telling you the things. So just be aware of these things, be aware of your practices, be aware of the meditation you are doing, because it's not, meditation is not like something you do and something it's like very internal process. And if something happened inside, some software changes from the inside, your hardware, your body will completely destroy. So it's like you are going within, and there is very subtle energy within, and you are working with this subtle energy. And if something happened in this subtle body, in the subtle energy, your whole life will be destroyed, and it will be very hard, it will be very problematic to bring you back again to the normal life. So many people are suffering from this meditation disease. I call this meditation disease because there are so many people, they are suffering nowadays because they are learning from the YouTube just. So this is my message for the today video. Hope you understand and try to be aware, because whenever you go to the market, you purchase some new mobile or some new gadgets, you always try to look the reviews, you always try to check the whatever is inside, you investigate so many things. But when you come to the meditation, you don't investigate. So try to investigate, try to look some different things, try to look the things in a different way, try to talk to the teacher, email and give call, whatever is necessary you do it, and try to learn from an authentic source, from a real teacher, not just from a YouTuber or just some people like this. So this is my message, try to understand it, and from the next time be aware of your meditation practices. So thank you all, love you all, be happy, thank you.